Good morning, students. How are you? How's your family? This is your science teacher, Teacher Afreen. Ramadan Mubarak. Okay, today is Thursday, 30th April 2020. Take out your learner's book, open the page number 54 and 55. Today, the unit is 5.4 and the topic is using motors and buzzers. Unit is 5.4 and the topic is using motors and buzzers. First of all, we will focus on the difficult words. What are the difficult words of this unit? Number one is motor, M-O-T-O-R, motor. M-O-T-O-R, motor. Number two, spin, S-P-I-N, spin, S-P-I-N, spin. Number three is round, R-O-U-N-D, round, R-O-U-N-D, round. Number four is buzzer, B-U-Z-Z-E-R, buzzer, B-U-Z-Z-E-R, buzzer. Number five, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Number six, wires, W-I-R-E-S, W-I-R-E-S, wires. Number seven, connected, C-O-N-N-E-C-T-E-D, connected, C-O-N-N-E-C-T-E-D, connected. Number eight, positive side, P-O-S-I-T-I-V-E, positive, S-I-D-E, side, positive side. Number nine is cell, nine is cell, C-E-L-L, cell, C-E-L-L, cell. And number 10 is circuit, C-I-R-C-U-I-T, circuit, C-I-R-C-U-I-T, circuit. Okay, I will revise again all the difficult words that you have to learn. Motor, spin, round, buzzer, sound, wires, connected, positive side, cell and circuit. These are the difficult words to learn. In this unit we will learn about the buzzer and about the motor. So first one is buzzer. What is the spelling of buzzer? B-U-Z-Z-E-R, buzzer, B-U-Z-Z-E-R, buzzer. What is a buzzer? You can see on your screen there is a picture of buzzer. It is a red color picture. And buzzer is an electrical machine. Electrical machine means any machine or any object that work with electricity, that is called electrical machine. Okay, so buzzer is an electrical machine and a buzzer uses electricity to make sounds. When we want to make any sound, we can use these types of electrical machine. So what is buzzer? Buzzer is an electrical machine and a buzzer uses electricity to make sound. On your screen there are two types of buzzers. First one is red one on the left hand, and on the right hand it is another picture of buzzer. And you can see there are two different colors wires. Okay, so the red wires from the buzzer must be connected to the positive side of the cell. Means there is the red wire. When we will connect this red wire to the positive side of a cell or of a battery, then it will work. Okay, so what is the spelling of buzzer? B-U-Z-Z-E-R, buzzer, and it uses electricity to make sound. B for buzzer, like buzz, buzz sound is coming na. So you can think, if you forgetting na, you can think buzz sound. Buzz is related to the sound. So buzzer uses electricity to make the sound. Now number two is motor. What is the spelling of motor? M-O-T-O-R, motor. Motor, it is also an electrical machine. Electrical machine means it works with electricity. If we want to work with it, we need electricity. And number two is a motor uses electricity to make things move. A motor uses electricity to make things move. Motor, it is an electrical machine, and a motor uses electricity to make things move. On your screen you can see the picture of motor. Okay, and for your easiness I will tell, motor started with the letter M, so M for motor, M for move. And buzzer, buzz sound is coming, so buzzer we are using to make sound, and motor we use to make things move. Again I will repeat it. Motor, M-O-T-O-R, motor, it is an electrical machine, and a motor uses electricity to make things move. Now on your screen you can see different types of motors. These are the pictures of different motors. Okay, so I think there are 8 pictures of motor. These are the motors pictures. And motors, what is motor? Motor is an electrical machine which we use to make the things move. Motor, move. Now today's your homework is learn and write all the difficult words. Learn and write all the difficult words. This is your homework. Thank you students. Bye bye.